Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Dodge Caravan key fob. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver and a soft cloth to protect the fob. Work over a tray so tiny parts do not roll away. Gently insert the screwdriver into the seam and twist with steady pressure until the halves separate. Keep track of the battery orientation and button pad placement for correct reassembly later. Now we move through each step slowly so you can follow along without rushing. First, inspect the fob seam and locate the retaining tab near the keyring. Insert your small flathead into that seam and apply steady, gentle pressure while twisting slightly. Once the halves separate, lift the top half straight up to prevent the rubber button pad from sliding out. Set pieces aside on a clean surface for reassembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free help to your workspace, which makes fiddling with tiny parts easier and more fun. It's a small way to boost your DIY setup and stay organized while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When the fob is open, identify the coin cell and note its orientation right away to avoid mistakes. Use a plastic pick or fingernail to lift the battery out, then insert the new battery in the same orientation. Test the buttons briefly while the fob is open to ensure electrical contact. Finally, realign the case halves and press them together until the retainer clicks, confirming everything is seated properly and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.